Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing a ring can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information needed for a successful ring change. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, a ring sizer, and some cleaning cloths. Make sure you have a comfortable workspace with good lighting to help you see the details clearly. Once you have your tools ready, begin by cleaning your ring thoroughly. Use a soft cloth to remove any dirt and grime. This not only ensures the ring looks its best but also allows for a smoother installation of the new ring. If you're unsure how to clean it properly, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your ring is in perfect condition before you start. Next, locate the screws on the side of the ring. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove them one by one. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. As you work, if you find any difficulty or do not have the appropriate tools, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. It's convenient and saves you the hassle of travel. With the screws removed, gently pull apart the ring. Take a moment to inspect the internal components. If there's any debris, use a soft brush to clean it out. A clean working area increases the lifespan of your ring and ensures everything fits snugly. If you feel uncertain about any part, remember we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs involved without any surprises. Now, it's time to fix your new ring. Align it carefully with the existing components. Ensure everything is oriented correctly. Misalignment can lead to problems down the line. Once in place, it's crucial to reattach the screws securely. Use your screwdriver to tighten them, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the ring. After reassembling, give your ring another thorough cleaning. This final step ensures that any fingerprints or smudges from handling are removed. A clean finish will make your ring look brand new. Finally, take a step back and admire your work. Changing a ring doesn't have to be intimidating. With the right approach and tools, you can achieve professional results at home. If you ever feel overwhelmed or prefer to leave it to the experts, remember that we offer no calls, no travel service, making it easier than ever to get the help you need without leaving your house. You've now successfully changed your ring, saving both time and money. Enjoy the satisfaction of completing this task yourself. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.